Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to integrate Shopify with Shiprocket. Firstly, visit Shiprocket and log into your dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to Setup and Manage, then Channels. Click the Add New Channel button and from the list of available channels, find Shopify then click Add. Enter required store information like your store name, domain, etc. Then click on the Connect to Shopify button to initiate integration. You'll be redirected to the Shopify login page. Just enter your Shopify username and password to continue. Shopify will show a prompt to authorize Shiprocket. Review the permissions, then click Authorize to confirm. After successful authorization, you'll be redirected back to Shiprocket. Click the Edit button next to your Shopify channel, then customize settings as needed like order, sync frequency, inventory, sync, etc. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.